Welcome to BodNuk's Xcode tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to make custom buttons. This is going to be a very little and very easy tutorial. We don't really do much code. It's really fun, and this tutorial will make your apps really attractive. We'll basically make an image that can be used as a button, which will look something like that. When we press on the button, it will take us to a new V controller, and in that V controller we'll have a button that Apple originally gave us in Xcode, which is kind of boring, but the one that we make is going to be really attractive. It's going to be a really easy tutorial, so let's get started. So first open Xcode and hit create new project, and make sure it's an application under iOS and a single view application, and I will name our product custom button tutorial, and I set my device to iPhone, and language doesn't really matter, and hit next. I'll just save it on my desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. And here we are in the project. Now I want to talk about my custom button. It's on my desktop, and here we go. I customized it in Google Drawing. You can make it anywhere you want, like in Photoshop or any other softwares out there, and drag it into your supporting files and press OK. And now go to main.storyboard and highlight your view controller. You just have to click on the top and it'll highlight to blue. Once you did that, go to the fourth tab and go to the simulator metrics and hit an in size. Make it a 4.7 inch so that it's compatible with the simulator. I'm gonna run it in iPhone 6, and 4.7 inch is the compatible one for iPhone 6. And on the objects panel, drag in another view controller next to the one that we have now. I'm gonna make my screen full screen, and also make this one a 4.7 inch because we're also gonna run this in iPhone 6. And once we're lined up, I want to first drag in the Apple's or Xcode's button to see what's the difference. And on the objects panel, just drag in your button in the center. And this button, you can change the color of it, or you can change the size of it, and there are like a little 2 or more fonts, but you can't really customize it with images, like some stickers. So we're gonna turn this button into an image. To do that, go to the fourth tab and make sure you're in the button section. Under type, press custom, and when you come down, there's a section called image, and when you click on the drop down, you'll see the image that's on your supporting files, which is the simple custom button.png, which we dragged in before. Click on that, and your button should be an image now, and it's on the original size. I'm gonna make it smaller by going to the fifth tab and making it smaller, 100 by 50. Okay, that's too small. Let's just do it with hands, a little bit more bigger, and there you go, perfect. So we're gonna make this button navigate to the next view controller. In order to do that, you have to hold down Control in your keyboard and then drag the button, and it should create a stringy line. Hold Control and then drag the image, and it should make a line, and drop that line on the view controller that you want the button to go. And once you release it, it should give some options. You want to press Show. Now this button is linked up to go to the next view controller. Now on this view controller, we'll put another button, and we'll make this. This is the Xcode's original button, so we'll just call it Xcode button. We'll make the space bigger, and then increase the size of it, font size. And now we want to link this button also to make it go to this view controller. So again, hold Control once you click on the button, and then drag the button to the view controller that you want it to go, and then press Show. Now we linked up both the buttons to go to its opposite view controllers. Now I'm going to minimize my project and hit run, and it's gonna run on iPhone 6 simulator. And build succeeded, and there is our simulator loading up. Custom image button tutorial, and there's our simple custom button which I customized, and if I press on that, it's taking me to the next view controller.